everyone, this is Arwina and
The boys. We're here. This is the hotel.
travel with us for our winter family getaway at the largest indoor water park on the East Coast, Kalahari Resort in Pocono, Pennsylvania. In this video, we will take you on a full tour from our room, the water park, to all the fun family activities, and of course, the delicious food we ate. If you are new here, hello and welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So, grab a snack, get cozy, and let's jump into our family getaway vlogs 2025.
We're going to Kalahari. Check it out.
Parking is included, and as you can see, there are plenty of spaces available. As soon as you walk into the lobby, you will see the self-check-in kiosk, which saves us so much time. There are plenty of seating, beautiful decoration with two big restaurants right there. And now we are on our way to find our room, following the south wing and north wing signs. And finally, we found our room. It has two double beds and a sofa bed and a stunning view of the parking lot.
These are fresh. Just come out of the washing machine.
Since breakfast is not included in our room rate, we made our first stop at Java Manjaro for coffee and pastry. Another option is Marrakesh Market, where they have tons of grab-and-go breakfast items, snacks, and drinks. Then we are heading down to the water park, but of course, we had to take a quick look at the arcade first. As you enter the water park, you will see the towel station, lockers, and changing rooms. And they also have these cabanas available to rent.
How was it?
After hours in the water park, we grabbed this delicious Oreo shake and chocolate shake before dinner. And oh my, it's thick, rich, chocolatey, and so yummy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You would like it.
And if that didn't make you hungry, let us take you to our dinner at Blvd. After dinner, we explored the resort and ended up at Double Cut, which is also a restaurant. found this cool secret door that led to the piano lounge, where we listened to the live music and enjoyed a nice cocktail, a little romantic moment alone with my lovely husband.
No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long.
The next day, we stopped by at the fitness center, and of course, my husband had to try the equipment.
It's broken.
You're supposed to use both legs. Maybe just some calf raises.
For our last night at Kalahari, we wanted something different, so we went out and found this Dominican restaurant. Overall, the food was really good, full of flavor, perfectly seasoned, and everything tasted homemade, but it's a little bit pricey. And that's a wrap on our Kalahari winter getaway. We hope you enjoyed the tour, the food, and all the fun moments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next deliciousness.